Hello everyone, today we will be talking about isomerization while I make a clay model of organic compounds. So I've started off by taking two different colors of clay, red representing the carbon atom and blue representing the hydrogen atoms, and the wooden sticks here are representing the covalent bond between each one of them. While I continue to make these clay models, I will be telling you about what is isomerization and the two major types of isomers. Isomerization is the process by which one molecule is transformed into another molecule that has the same molecular formula but a different structure. These different forms are called isomers. Now, to break it down simply, this basically means that even though the atoms are in the same number and type, their arrangement is different, leading to molecules with different physical and chemical properties. Now moving on, I will be telling you about the two major types of isomers. The first isomer is structural isomer. These isomers differ in the connectivity of their atoms. The atoms are connected in different orders, forming different compounds, which basically means even though they both have the same formula, the structure of the carbon chain is completely different. Now we will talk about the second major type of isomers, which is geometric isomers. These occur due to restricted rotation, which is usually around a double bond or a ring structure. These atoms are connected the same way, but their spatial arrangement is completely different. This is also most common in alkenes, which are basically compounds with double covalent bonds. Here I have completed making one of the clay models of the organic compound, which is butane. The but standing for 4, which represents the 4 carbon atoms, which are in red, and the ane standing for a single covalent bond, which is between all of the atoms, which is represented by the wooden sticks. Now here I will be making another clay structure using the same amount of carbon and hydrogen atoms, but it will be different from the previous one, which was a butane. This is another isomer of a butane called 2-methylpropane. Here, what differs the 2-methylpropane from the butane is that instead of being a straight chain of 4 carbon atoms, the 4th carbon atom is a branch extending from the 2nd carbon atom. So this is the end result. These are two isomers. One is butane and the other is isobutane, also known as 2-methylpropane. As you can see, each of them have 4 carbon atoms and each carbon atom has 4 hydrogen atoms. So this was it for my 4th term chemistry project. Thank you for watching.